that's OD. That's OD.
What's up, guys? So today we got rapper Dee Cores coming up to us from the South Bronx. Me and Dee Cores go way back to our Cortland Avenue days. We grew up in the same projects. I haven't seen him for many years, and I'm excited to get his hairline looking fresh so that he can go on and do great things. Peace.
Let's see what's up.
Yo!
Oh, Dave.
What's up, Dave, man?
Dee Cores, my brother. What's good, man? What we got here? What we got here?
It's my brother,
security? Because I know you the rapper now. You guys running the entourage.
Who I am, I'm Dee Cores. I'm a rapper. I'm from the Bronx, New York, Cortland Ave.
What's up, man? Let me see what we got. What we working
Man,
with today?
you know, man, I'm trying to do my thing, so you know, I can't see the man for the.
Listen, bro, you want to take that? You want to take that hat off in the next video? I got you.
You the man for this. You the man for this.
Easy fix, brother.
The age I was when I experienced hair loss, I want to say it was around 21 to 22 years old. Man, had long hair, man, long hair braids, doing all kind of stuff, wearing hats. I definitely need it, man, so why not? Yeah, let's do it.
All right, my brother, let's do it. Have a seat.
That's what I'm
All
trying.
right, so here's what we're gonna do, bro. I'm gonna do a quick little hairline simulation on you. You're gonna tell me more or less the hairline you're looking to
for.
achieve today.
Copy.
This is magic dust right here, bro.
You know what's so funny? So like I had my hair growing out, and that little patch, they're like, yo, bro, you got dirt on your head. I said, bro, that's my hair. He said, damn.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is here, we're gonna set it. So we're gonna go right with that, with the soul patch, bro.
Good.
We are 100% symmetrical. Oh, 8.5 on the money. Brother, come check that out, right? Look.
8.5 on the money.
Beautiful.
So here's the deal. We could
go down.
always go down.
Mm-hmm.
We can't go back up. And then when we come back for the next session and you're like, yo, I gotta bring that shit down. We can always bring it down. Remember, we can go down.
So let's do that.
We can't go up.
All right.
So here's the deal. Me and D, we grew up in the same neighborhood. We grew up in the same project, Jackson Projects in Cortland Ave, 156th Street. And now we're here. We're gonna make it happen. So it's dope because we got some history that goes back. So we're gonna talk about all the goon shit we used to do when we were kids. I'm gonna let you sit here by yourself for a few minutes. I want you to really feel comfortable. This is all you.
Copy.
You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
because after this, ain't no going back.
So we'll do some before and afters real quick. I'm gonna tell you right now, it happens every single time. I'm gonna put a hairline on you, you're gonna forget what you looked like when you were born.
Of course.
And you're gonna start acting brand new. You're gonna be like, nah, I don't know. So I gotta show you your before picture to remind you, like, my man, you were fucking a bald dude 2 hours ago. You're gonna experience a little bit of discomfort. But what I mean by discomfort, I'm talking about, like, for me, from 1 to 10, I'll tell you right now, it's like between a 2 or 3.
Gotcha. Like I said, if you could be, I'm real sensitive. So if you could be a little gentle,
You say
I'm like
you're sensitive?
Yeah, a little bitch. When I get
Yeah, so here's what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna do one straight on. I'm gonna be like, look to your left. You're gonna do that.
Okay.
Look to your right. I'm gonna tell you, turn around, bring your head back, and twerk. Bring your head. Bring your head.
It's your boy Dee Cores. Hold on.
Chin right here. Let's get this a little more comfortable. Perfect. Well, if that's more comfortable for you,
This is good.
that's good too. You know what I'm saying? If you want to hold my balls, you can hold my balls. So we're gonna vibe out to your album.
Nice, nice. Let's do
Dee
it.
Cores, self-entitled on iTunes. Stay woke. There we go.
The big O's or the big balls, like my man Dave was saying.
I ain't playing, bro, making dough. Same time, going quick to let it blow. They know, game time on the grind, overtime, like my guy, yeah, we gon' shine. They know, stay woke, my nigga, I'm so dope. No nigga stone cold on the grind. They know, I'm so close to blow. Stay high, but I can't low. I ain't playing, bro,
You got Picasso Roof, that's the name of it.
Bros windows. I ain't waiting this for you, my nigga. What I do, say, talking do, say, fuck whatever you say.
So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start from your left to your right. But before I even start doing anything, I'm gonna give you a couple of impressions up here.
Catch a whole little glossiness.
Okay. We got a match, Houston.
Let's do it.
Let's vibe.
Everybody stay cool. Strong, blowing strong, I'ma get it up. Making songs on my own, sorry I'm taking long. Man, I'm hating on my dude. Jump up on my same flow. I get another bag, I ain't worried about these things.
There's the man for this shit, Larry. It's my man Dave. That's my man Larry, man.
Yeah, you see it.
Just
What I'm thinking, wishing we could kick it, shorty think we clicking.
Honestly, man, I'm more than happy. Like, this is more than I expected. The whole run through was great, very professional. I advise anyone to come and see my man. He took care of me, as you can see. Nah, that's OD. That's OD.
good, right?
Thank you, Bob.
You the man, brother.
Yeah, no, you the
Thank
man.
you, man.
Yo, it's your boy Dee Cores, man. I finally came to see your boy Dave. You know, Scalp Solutions, man. They took care of me, as you can see. Dave, you the man, man. Check them out. Thank you, man. Bless.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Boss of Hair Loss. Until the next episode,